he is. Oh, God. Oh, he got off. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Bass Wars, and we are going out again to do some bank fall bluegill fishing. Today, it's a warm day, probably like 60s, high 60s, cloudy, windy. So we're gonna try to catch some and see if we can do that. So stick with us. It's definitely getting tough, and we're having to slow down and really working those flies good. So you can see that things starting to change, and fall is all about the change. Yeah, look at that chop. We got some chop on the water, got some wind, some cold air pushing through. All right, let's try to get these dudes. Little fly. Gonna try a different bobber today. That wind blowing is definitely gonna make things challenging. That water is murky. Oh, there he is. Oh, God. Oh, he got off. So they're still in this area. I had a hit right over here. Oh, there he is. He bit me. Oh, man. Okay. There was the bite. Oh, there he is. Got him. Oh, God, that's a good one. There we go. That's a slab. Slabosaurus, dude. Look at the size of this thing, man. Dude, that's a big one right there. There we go. That's what you can catch with the bobber and the fly. You guys gotta try this. That's a big one, man. I could lip him almost. Look at that. Look at this thing. Look at that. That's a nice one. That's worse, we let him go. But let's let him go. Give him a cool release. There he goes. Off into the depths. All right, it's one. All right, back to the spot. Oh my God, what a bad cast, Dave. Okay, he's good. He's good. Oh, right there. Right there. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, good one. Good one. Good fight. What do we got here? What do we got here? Dude, tell me that's a crappie. It's a crappie, guys. We got ourselves a crappie. Oh, heck yeah. Dude. Mr. Crappie on the fly. Look at that. Finesse fishing. Dude, I'm telling you, bobber. And look at that beautiful crappie. Look at that big old fat crappie. Crappie corner, man. The bobber and the fly, guys. Caught a crappie. Look at that little fly in his mouth. Micro fishing for micro flies. I should say small flies catch decent sized crappie and a bobber. Isn't that awesome, dude? October fishing. Let this crappie go. Look at that little crappie. Cool crappie release. Thanks, buddy. There he goes, swimming off. October crappie fishing. Unbelievable. On the bobber and fly. Come on. No? No takers? Nobody? Anyone? Anybody want my fly? Anybody?